Do you want to learn Arabic but just don't have the time or the ridiculous fee it usually costs for a classroom course? You've searched high and low for a fast, easy, affordable program but just can't seem to find one that really works. Software and books may be convenient but can't teach you much more than vocabulary. You need a course that actually teaches you to speak the language like a native. Introducing Path to Arabic, the proven step-by-step method for learning Arabic online. Path to Arabic combines video with interactive exercises and quizzes to teach you Arabic in a fun, engaging way. The course content has been designed and developed by highly qualified, experienced teachers to match the same curriculum used in top Arabic schools. You can learn at your own pace and keep track of your progress with the built-in progression tracker. The course materials and tests allow you to practice what you've learned, giving you the confidence to move on to the next level. You even have the option of choosing between 2 teachers for each lesson. That way, you can select the teacher whose teaching style is best suited to your learning style. You can schedule a live private class with our expert teachers. They'll help you put your learning into practice. Here, you'll practice your speaking skills and you'll be guided and motivated the whole way by a native speaker. It's convenient, cost-effective, and just plain works. Learn Arabic the easy way with Path to Arabic today. Register now at www.pathtoarabic.com.